back to my channel. So today is an exciting video for me. My friend Chloe, who I work with, she does like arts and crafts, would you say? And she makes like Disney items and stuff, and she has sent me a package. I'm not going to show you the top because it's got my address on, but I'm going to open this and do a little unboxing haul of what she's made me. I don't know everything that's in here. I don't know what it looks like. She won't send me any pictures or anything. So let's get right in and open this box. I love that sound. Okay, let's have a look. Well, the first thing she's got me, which is the cutest thing ever, a Terry's chocolate orange. I absolutely love Terry's chocolate oranges as well. She's so cute, bless her. So, oh, thank you so much. Oh, I've got a little card here as well. Oh, it's got Minnie on it. I don't know whether you'll be able to see it with this lighting. Camera at the ready. Hope this makes a cute video for you. Missing you. Well, that's exactly what I'm doing, Chloe, so don't you worry. Oh, she's also put, oh my god, she's so cute. She's also put in a mini makeup band, like headband. I actually want to open this now. Oh my god. That is the cutest thing ever. The ears. I love that. I actually love it. Thank you so much. I don't know why I'm worried about my hair. Look at it. Oh my god. Okay, so if you don't know, I'm slightly obsessed with Nightmare Before Christmas. And she has made me a bag with a little zip. I am going to use this for makeup. Oh my god, and she's put stuff inside it as well. Okay, so she has made me, can we just take, I'm going to appreciate this first. This little wash bag. Jack Skellington on it and Sally. It's so cute. And then on the inside, it's polka dot. And it says made with love. Oh, that is so adorable. Oh, I literally can't wait to use that. And then she's also made me some scrunchies. So she's made me a really cute Winnie the Pooh one. And I absolutely love scrunchies. And then she's made me a Nightmare Before Christmas one as well. And I literally, I cannot wait to wear these on a daily basis. I probably won't take them off. And she's handmade all of these as well, so it's not like she's gone and bought them. She's actually gone and handmade them, so that is absolutely adorable. But she's even put Mickey paper in. Oh my god. Okay, so she's made me a pair of ears, and the first ones are Winnie the Pooh. How cute are they? That material is absolutely gorgeous. I don't know whether you can appreciate that as much as what you can. And then she's put me like a little honey bow in. Let me pop them on. Oh, look how cute they are. I was saying to her the other day that I don't have much Winnie the Pooh stuff, but I love Winnie the Pooh. And they don't do many ears, except from like the traditional like honey ears, like the orange ears. They don't do any Winnie the Pooh ones that I've seen. These are so cute. Oh, look at the bands even Winnie the Pooh as well. Oh, I cannot wait for my next Disney trip to wear these. I might just wear, well, I'll be wearing them around the house anyway because, you know, while we're in quarantine, why not? Look at them. Oh my god. So like, oh my god, I can't even get over this. So it's like a velour bow, and then she's put like his bow tie there. And he's got that gorgeous Nightmare Before Christmas. Oh my god, I love them. It's like crying. Look at them. I have so many Nightmare Before Christmas t-shirts that I wear around Halloween. and I don't think I'll be taking these off. Oh my god, I'm slightly obsessed. These are absolutely beautiful, Chloe. Like, absolutely beautiful. I can't get over them. It's like never ending. Oh, and then the last thing I do believe that's in the box is a peg bag. And obviously it's got my main man Mickey on it. I absolutely love this. Oh, and then I don't know whether she's designed it like this, but with the polka dots and the red, it's just like Minnie. So it's like Minnie and Mickey. I absolutely love that. So I don't think I'm going to use this as a wash bag. So you might think I'm absolutely crazy, but bear with me. I have been using reusable cotton like pads for my face, and I've got a bag that obviously they come in, but then I've got nowhere to put them after, and they look vile, if I'm honest, with like all my smeared makeup on them. I was thinking about putting this in the bathroom, and then I can put them in here before they need washing. And that is adorable. Oh, she's so talented. She's like so talented. She also does YouTube. I'm going to pop her link down below, so you can go and look at her stuff. She always does Disney stuff, and she's amazing. She's an absolute babe. And I'll pop her Instagram down below as well if you want to check her Instagram out. I genuinely feel so lucky. Like, this has cheered me up so much. Like, I wasn't like down, but I'm sorry, I can't get over these. I literally can't get over them. Oh, look how nice they are. I'm not going to take them off at rest of the day. I'm not. Oh, I love it. So guys, that is it. That was my little unboxing that Chloe sent me with all the handmade stuff that she had made me, with a few little treats as well. I just want to say thank you so much, Chloe. You've literally made my week. I can't stop smiling. And thank you guys for watching as well. I really appreciate that. I hope this has entertained you a little bit. Yeah, so keep tuned for more videos. If you want any specific videos, leave me a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, so you don't miss any of my videos. Alright guys, thank you so much. I hope you're all keeping really well with the quarantine. Love you. Bye.